Okay, here's a quick video to help you with expanded long division. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create kind of like a tick chart on the left-hand side of my page, just so I can keep track of everything I'm doing in my expanded long division. So I'm going to do D for division, M for multiply, S for subtract, B for bring down, and the easiest way I find to remember the order is dad, mum, sister, brother, just so I can remember which order those go in. So starting at the top with divide, how many times does 5 go into 2? It doesn't, so I'm going to put my 0 up here and tick that I've done my division. The next one is multiply. 0 multiplied by 5 is 0. Put that there and tick multiply. Next one is subtract, so I'm going to put my line underneath the 0. 2 subtract 0 is 2, so I tick that. And then the last one is bring down, so I'm going to move my 3 down to my 2, which makes 23, and tick my bring down. And then I'm going to start at the top again with divide. So how many times does 5 go into 23? It goes in 4 times. Tick my divide. What is 4 multiplied by 5? It's 20. So I'm going to write that there and tick my multiply. I'm now on my subtract, so I draw my line underneath and do a normal subtraction sum. So 23 take away 20, which will leave me with 3. Tick my subtract, and then finally bring down. So bring my 1 down to my 3 to make 31. Tick. Back up to division. How many times does 5 go into 31? It goes in 6 times. Tick my division. Down to multiply. What is 6 times 5? It's 30. Tick my multiply. Onto my subtract. What is 31 take away 30? I'm left with 1. Tick my subtract. I'm finally down onto my bring down, so I bring down my 5 to my 1, which makes 15. Tick my bring down, and I'm back up to my division. So how many times does 5 go into 15? Goes in 3 times. Tick my division. What is 3 times 5? 15. Write that there and tick my multiply. What is 15? Take away 15 is 0. Tick my subtract. And I've got nothing left to bring down. And because I'm left with a 0 at the bottom, I know there's no remainders. So the answer of 2,315 divided by 5 using expanded long division would be 463.